Hi everyone, the new Apple Airpods or AirPod 3rd generation has been released on October 2021. I will show you the highlights in this short video. The new AirPods came with spatial audio and featuring an all-new design inside and out with a force sensor for more control of your music and phone calls. With the new low distortion driver, it will produce powerful bass and crisp clean high frequency to enjoy your music. The new AirPods are truly with another features. Sweat and water resistant to keep your music going during your toughest workout or jog in the rain. Adaptive EQ is provided to deliver the best audio experience. Same as previous AirPod generation, it will automatically pair to your iPhone or other Apple devices once the case is open. Now this is new AirPod also have an improvement battery life. It's up to 6 hours of listening time, or it's gonna give you around 1 hour of use with just 5-minute charging times. And for the convenience of charging case, giving you an additional 4 full charges. The price for this new AirPod is USD 179 or Ringgit Malaysia 829, which is lower than AirPod Pro and higher than the previous AirPod generation. Okay, that's all for the new AirPod highlights. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.